Have you ever felt like you're always struggling to get out of the same place, while some people seem to get rich magically? Were they born lucky, or do they have a secret no one told you about? The truth is that wealth doesn't come from inheritance or luck, but from daily habits and a different mindset. And the most shocking part? Anyone, including you, can escape poverty and change their life in just. In this video, I will show you the secrets that millionaires use to grow financially and how you can apply them to your life, even starting from scratch. If you've ever felt frustrated, stuck in an endless cycle of bills and payments, it's time to turn the game around. Watch until the end, because today you'll discover the step-by-step process to build true wealth, without relying on luck, without needing a stroke of luck, just with simple and pow. Many people believe that to get rich, you need to be born into a privileged family, win the lottery, or create a revolutionary business. But the truth is that most millionaires started from zero and followed a clear path, changing their mindset, adopting strategic habits, and applying an intelligent financial plan. In this video, I will show you exactly how anyone can escape poverty and start their journey toward wealth. And at the end, I will reveal the biggest mistake that prevents 99% of people from achieving financial freedom. So stick with me until the end, because this could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. The first thing you need to understand is that wealth doesn't start in your bank account. It starts in your mind. The biggest difference between rich and poor people isn't the money they have, but how they see and use that money. While most people work to earn and spend, millionaires work to earn and multiply. This small mindset change can be the game changer in your financial life. Want proof of that? Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, started his journey by selling newspapers in his neighborhood. He didn't inherit fortunes or win the lottery. He simply understood something that most people ignore. Well-managed money generates more money. And believe me, if you apply the same principles he used, you can transform your financial reality in much less time than you think. Now, let's get to what really matters. The 5 millionaire habits that can change your life. The first habit is to change your mindset about money. Instead of asking, "How much does this cost?" start asking yourself, "How much can this make me?" Rich people see money as a tool for growth, while most people only see it as a means of survival. This small perspective shift makes all the difference. If you just spend everything you earn, you'll never get out of the same place. But if you learn to invest and make your money work for you, your financial life can change radically. The second habit is simple but powerful. Pay yourself first. Before paying your bills, investing in leisure, or spending on anything else, set aside a portion of your money for yourself. The millionaire rule is to save at least 10 to 20% of your income for investments before anything else. This means that, regardless of your salary, you need to prioritize your financial future. If you don't do this, you'll always be a slave to money. The third habit is to learn to invest, even with little money. Leaving money sitting in a checking account or savings account is a huge mistake. Money needs to be in motion, generating more money. And don't worry, you don't need to be an expert in the financial market to get started. There are accessible investments, such as index funds and passive income, that anyone can use to start building wealth. The important thing is to start now and let compound interest work in your favor. The fourth habit is to create multiple sources of income. No millionaire depends on a single salary or just one source of revenue. If you want to build wealth, you need to find ways to generate money beyond your main job. This can be done in various ways, such as side income online, freelancing, small businesses, or even investments that generate consistent returns. The secret is to diversify so that you never depend on a single source of income. The fifth and final habit is to avoid the biggest financial mistake that prevents people from getting rich: increasing your lifestyle before increasing your income. Many people, when they start earning a little more money, immediately spend more, buy a better car, rent a more expensive apartment, or make unnecessary purchases. The problem is that this creates a vicious cycle where money is never left over for investments. Millionaires do the opposite. They invest first and only increase their spending once they've ensured that their wealth is growing. Now that you know these 5 habits, let's move on to the practical plan to escape poverty in 1 year. In the first quarter, the focus should be on adjusting your mindset and cutting unnecessary expenses. The first step is to understand exactly where your money is going. Take an inventory of your spending and eliminate anything that isn't essential. Small daily cuts can lead to huge savings over the months. From the 4th to the 6th month, it's time to start investing and creating a new source of income. If you've never invested, start small, but start. Choose a safe option and automate the process. Also, look for ways to make extra money, whether by selling a service, creating a digital business, or monetizing a hobby. In the 3rd quarter, the focus is to increase your income and reinvest your earnings. If you have a job, look for ways to grow within the company or negotiate a raise. If you have a business, reinvest part of the profits to expand. The secret here is not to spend the extra money you start earning, but to make it generate more money. In the last 3 months of the year, your mission is to consolidate your strategy and avoid financial traps. Now that you have investments and income sources, you need to ensure you don't make the same mistakes many people do. Keep investing and living below your means until your passive income is strong enough to give you financial freedom. If you follow this plan, your financial life can change completely in 1 year. And remember, the biggest mistake that prevents people from getting rich is the lack of consistency. Many start with enthusiasm, but quit halfway. Millionaires are those who persist, even when results haven't shown up yet. Now I want to know, which of these habits are you going to start applying today? Comment below because I read all the comments. And if you want to learn more about how to build wealth, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because there's a lot of valuable content coming your way. See you in the next video.